Hey everyone, good evening, and my name is Lucky Kumar, and today lecture topic is women empowerment. And if I am, अगर मैं कहीं कोई गलती कर देता हूँ तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बता सकते हैं कि कहाँ गलती है। और लेट्स स्टार्ट एंड टॉपिक इज वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट। क्विक फैक्ट अबाउट वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट। Employment of women stand at a considerably lower percentage than men. Empowered women empowered women contribute to an increased growth of the economy of a country. Education of women decrease change of child mortality. Women are paid so lesser than men for similar kind of work. The the two the two genders, man and woman, have always coexisted. There have been times when women have been subjugated to oppression and radical, and their freedom has been taken away. The fact can't deny that empowerment of women is necessary for the development of the society. Women empowerment of women empowerment point to the fact of social, political, judicial, and all other rights should be equally give to women, are and there should not be any discrimination. Women ex, women empowerment to some extent points towards gender equality, mainly due to the fact that it has been a male partial society for a long time, and women have not been able to exercise their right efficiently. Entire nation, communities, groups stand to be benefit from measure taken of women empowerment, as it not only increase the quantity and quality of human resources available, but also help to overthrow the obstacles of development and poverty. The present scenario. The issue of women empowerment has been taken up seriously in the past few decades because of the realization of the fact that women are entitled to all the rights available to the men, and the society can give efficiently if it is able supported. There has been a creation of a safe environment where a woman can take her own decision on to their personal benefits as well as benefits of the society. Women have equal right to economic and social justice, have equally right to education and a conducive environment at work, enabling them to live with dignity and self-respect. The Constitution has introduced a number of articles which guards the interest of women, equal pay of work under Article 39D, relief of maternity under Article 42, and Dowry Protection Act of 1961, Protection of Women, Domestic Violence Act of 2005, and the prevention, radical and prevention of sexually harassment of women at workplace Act of 2013 are some of the notable changes to note that have pointed towards women empowerment. Women from approximately half of the population of the world, but very few are employed even though they are equally capable of doing so. Women are talented enough to do most of the work that men do. It leads to an overall development of the society as a society with equality inbound of flourish. Women will be able to earn to own living and also be able to share the financial burden of the family. This will eventually lead to growth in the economy of the country. There will be significant reduction of domestic violence once women are given proper education. They will not only earn the respect of the society but will also be able to take on the problems of domestic violence as most of the stems from the fact that the woman is not aware of what she is supported to do. Once women are educated and given the freedom of freedom to execute their fundamental rights like casting votes for political outfits, there will be a marked reduction of corruption. Once women become capable of earning money through the job that they do and are paid for it, they can sustain themselves effectively and contribute to the total income of the family. This will reduce the poverty and will encourage more and more women to take up work. They will make the nation proud in whether field they choose to explore, whether it be medical, science and sport or the business industry. Education of women has resulted in economic growth of about 50% in the last 50 years. After analyzing 219 countries from 1979 to 2009, it was found that if women are educated, it chase reduce the chance of death during childbirth by 9.5%. Over 60 million girls are still married of as a child before they become 18-year old. Women from the majority almost 70% from the people staying in poverty. They from 80% of the total number of displaced refugee. Only 40% of women have access the fundamental institution. Female employment is at a more 47.1% as compared to men at 72.7%. Conclusion: as mentioned above, empowering women is very important from a number of aspects of life. They also have all the rights that a human being has and it gives the right opportunities. They will be able to lead a dignified life. Women empowerment has not been exaggerated completely yet, but the world is definitely on the right path. Thank you for watching and please like my video.